Hey everyone, I am Saidkamol and I'm here to teach you C++ programming. I'm not a professional programmer and I'm learning, so I will teach you what I've learned. We will start the video by downloading and installing the software for editing and compiling the C++ code. For that, we will use code blocks. To download and install code blocks, you should go to codeblocks.org, go to download the binary release, find code blocks mingw setup.exe. You can download it from FossHub or sourceforge.net. I prefer using SourceForge, but all of them are safe. After waiting for a couple of seconds, it will download automatically, as you can see here. After you finish it downloading the program, you should have something like this. First of all, remove this. You can do this by clicking the X button. To make a new file, go to File, New, and Empty File. Now, in this program, you can do C++ programming and C programming, but we are learning C++ programming, so we will save it as my first program.cpp. CPP means C++. If you just save it like C, it means C program, but we are learning C++, so you should save it as C++, CPP. Now, yes, save it your first program and you have your first program. After some lessons, we will be making our code. After some lessons, we will make a code that you should run. We will run this. I will tell you how to run the code. To run the code, you will go to build and run. As you can see, our code does not do anything because it's empty. After we learn some things, we will tell you how to run and use the program. Now you might feel uncomfortable because this is too tiny to see if you have bad eyesight. To solve this problem, you will click Control and scroll. Now you've learned how to use code blocks. Now time to learn how to use C++. For that we will go to w3schools.com. In this website, go to tutorials, go to programming. On the programming you will find learn C++, click on that. In this website you can learn everything, not everything but basics. I recommend you go through all these pages. You can go through these if you want, but these are enough for now. Start from get started. It will tell you what to do. First of all, we will copy this code and put it into our program. Then we should run it. As I told you, go to build and run. As you can see, it's working. It's meant to print hello world, and it did. Now, to exit this, you can exit. After you go through all these pages, you will go to PTaskBook.com. Like when you enter this website, it will be something like this. To make it more visible and comfortable to yourself, you can make it something like this. Go to tasks page and start with begin. Now there are given assignments for you to complete. Like first one says, given the side A of a square, find the perimeter P of a square, and the formula is given. Now to do this, you will after you learn this, you know how to do this. But if you don't know how to do this and you are so lazy to go through all of them, I will make a tutorial on every groups, like the beginning group, these all the groups. If you want to start by yourself, then you can do it. If you don't understand like one of it, or maybe you done and you come to begin 17 and you don't understand it, just go to my YouTube channel and see if there's a tutorial on that. That's it for today, guys. If you ever enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. All the links will be in the description. If you have any problems, just write them in the comment section. Peace, love, bye.